What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to new video Z. It is that time of the month where I give you those top penny stocks to watch out for. Now we've been doing this for the past 12 months. Usually I give you those top penny stocks to watch out for with the exact date that they will spike in value. And I will explain to you in this video why I can predict these dates. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go over last month's picks and also March and April picks and see the exact dates when these stocks will show huge volatility, i.e. spikes upwards or downwards by 10, 20, 100%. Okay, so why am I giving you these stocks? Before we get into all of that, these are biotech penny stocks, and biotech penny stocks usually tell us, the investors, that on this day we will update you with how the company's doing. Now, these are biotech penny stocks, and biotech penny stocks have to develop drugs and products, and usually these penny stocks are deep in losses, there's no financial growth, right, and they're deep in debt, and most importantly, they have no revenue on products. So, their whole objective as a penny stock is to develop a drug and product. The result of that drug and product, because that's the whole objective of the company. If that drug and product, as a biotech company, comes out FDA approved, the stock usually spikes in value. If not, the stock usually drops in value. Also, if that drug or if that stock comes out, developing the drugs and products and release positive news, positive results, i.e. to tell investors that now the drug is actually working in curing a disease, the stock is usually going to spike up in value. Why? Because that is good news for the company and also for investors. Those are the days that I'm going to give you when these companies release FDA approvals and also positive and negative news for that stock. So let's look at last month's stocks, guys, and let's review them and see how they performed. But before we get into this video, guys, smash that like and smash that subscribe button, because we've been doing this for a year and I don't want you to miss out any more videos. And by the way, you need to know how to analyze them, so look at my videos for how to analyze these penny stocks. So let's get into this video, guys. So last month's video, guys, as you can see, I gave you a few stocks. Not all of them went for home runs. Some of them actually spiked in value. Just remember, guys, you might find other videos like this similar, but just remember, you need to listen to one voice. We do not invest in penny stocks. I don't care whoever says it. We do not invest in penny stocks. We only trade penny stocks on the days that I'm going to give you, or we can trade the pullbacks, right? Penny stocks are risky. 50% of these penny stocks or 60% will fail, so we do not invest in penny stocks. Now, the first stock, guys, is MFTB, right? MFTB, we do not invest in penny stocks. MFTB, guys, right? MFTB is trading at $1.90. Last month, it was actually trading at $10. Now it's $1.90, so it dropped in value by 80% in a few days on the exact date that I gave you, which was February 13th. As you can see, you can look at the video. So 80% is the drop. We could have made 80% return by shorting that stock, right? So we cannot invest in penny stocks knowing that these stocks will drop in value most of the time. So here's the thing, guys. Another stock is called SGMO. Also, it's in the green or in the red, and that is 35% downward movement on the exact dates that I gave you in that video for February. Another stock is HTBX. HTBX actually dropped by 21%, and that is from $1.70 to now $1.33. So we could have made 20% return in the space of a few days, right? On the exact date that I gave you also. So most of these stocks will spike in value, but 70-60% of these stocks will be upwards, right? Or downwards. So the rest will be upwards. These are home runs for those guys that don't want to learn how to short. But it's important, guys, you need to learn how to short. If you want to be a trader, if you want to be long-term investor or trader in this market, you need to learn how to short stocks. Shorting is simple. It's just betting that the stock is going down on value. Just like buying, you're betting that the stock is going up on value. So you need to learn how to short, guys. So let's get into this video without further ado, and let me give you those top penny stocks to watch out for. They'll be in the description also. So these are from March and April, guys, and I'll also make an April video when the time comes. So first stock is PHS, and that is March 17th, right? PHS March 17th. amrn, that is March 18th. So on those days, that stock will release something, just like I explained earlier, by the way. lxrx March 22nd. Good news and bad news will be released on that day. sbbp March 23rd. urov March 19th. cydy March, no date. adro, now this is April now, guys, alright? I know it's too early, but adro April 1st. tgtx April 1st also. dvax April 2nd. trov April 2nd also, nlnk April 2nd. Now, on these days, the stock will release positive news, negative news, FDA approvals, or FDA rejections. Your job is to become an analyst at this stage, because I'm not just gonna give you a video and saying buy these stocks and you think you just open up a brokerage account and buy these stocks. It doesn't work like that. You have to trade them. Learn how to analyze, how to get in, how to get out. Some of you would buy before even, you can do that if you want, but you're taking a huge risk. You will invest in these stocks before the date, and on the day, you will notice the stock going your way. It's 50-50, because you can't predict these things. I don't care whoever says you can predict these, because I see videos like these nowadays, but some people will say different things than me, right? But the only way to be profitable with penny stocks is not to invest in penny stocks, because I don't want the 50-50 chance. I want a clear at least 90% chance, and that's why we have to trade them on the exact dates, when they release the articles, when they release the news, and the dates. There's plenty of videos, guys. If you want to know how to find these stocks, look in the description. There's a tutorial where I've uploaded to YouTube. It will explain to you even further how I find these stocks and how you can do that for the future. But yeah, that is the way to trade these penny stocks and find these penny stocks, but do not invest. Make me a promise not to invest in penny stocks. No penny stock on the market should be worth investing in. Do you value your money or not? Or you just want to take my money and invest it? Is that what you want? So, I know there's a few videos that make these kind of videos now using my way of doing things, but listen to this. Do not invest in penny stocks. One, we don't know and we cannot predict when a stock will spike in value. I don't care what anybody says. Even if the stock is already at last phase or almost getting FDA approved, we do not know if this stock is going to spike up or down. So what we do is wait on the sideline, wait for the exact date, and execute like lions, right? We're stalking that stock like hawks, okay? Just make me a promise you do not invest in these stocks before the day. If you want to take a risk, you can do that, guys. All right? I mean, you have to learn how to analyze, and there's plenty of videos on my channel, so have a look at these videos. Maybe you'll get value, maybe you'll learn. And yeah, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, simply Zed, guys, and make sure to smash that like and also that subscribe button, because that is the least you could do at this stage. And you'll see more videos like this, replication of me from other people, and that's okay. But just remember, guys, the only thing I need you to take from this video, just in case anybody says anything else, is not to invest in penny stocks, and 50% of penny stocks will fail. So we have to trade these penny stocks on the exact days that I give you only. Nothing else. Okay? Now, look in the description for some tutorials. Also, there's the stock alert account where I give you those stocks on a weekly basis. And also there's the course if you want, if you're interested. Other than that, peace and love, guys. And make sure, thumb it up. See you again.